Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the realm of potassium, the unsung hero in the fight against high blood pressure. You see, potassium is this amazing mineral that our bodies need, and it plays a crucial role in keeping our blood pressure in check. Join us as we unveil the top 15 high potassium foods and explore their remarkable benefits for your health. From bananas to sweet potatoes, these 15 potassium-rich foods are not only delicious, but also vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Think of them as little powerhouses working behind the scenes to keep your heart happy and healthy. Let's delve deeper. Number 1. Spinach. Now we all know Popeye loves his spinach, and for good reason. Did you know that spinach is not only packed with nutrients but also contains around 558 milligrams of potassium per 100 grams? That's a significant amount. Think about adding spinach to your smoothies, salads, or even sautéing it as a side dish. It's a versatile ingredient that can easily be incorporated into your daily meals. And remember, every bite is a step towards a healthier heart. Number 2. Avocado. These creamy delights are not just tasty but also rich in potassium, providing around 485 milligrams per 100 grams. Avocados are like the all-stars of the fruit world. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and of course, potassium. How about adding some slices to your morning toast, whipping up some guacamole, or even enjoying a creamy avocado smoothie? The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you're giving your heart a little extra love with every delicious bite. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers are not only delicious but also a great source of potassium, offering around 337 milligrams per 100 grams. Imagine this: a sweet potato baked to perfection, drizzled with a little olive oil and sprinkled with herbs. That's a meal that's not just satisfying but also good for your heart. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile. You can roast them, mash them, or even use them in soups and stews. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and flavorful side dish, remember the power of the sweet potato. Number 4. Bananas. Known for their potassium content, bananas provide around 358 milligrams per 100 grams. We all know bananas are a classic source of potassium. They're readily available, easy to pack in a lunchbox, and incredibly satisfying. But did you know that bananas are also a good source of fiber and vitamin B6? It's like a bonus package for your health. So whether you enjoy them as a quick snack, add them to your cereal, or blend them into a smoothie, remember that bananas are a simple and delicious way to boost your potassium intake. Number 5. Beans. Whether it's kidney beans, black beans, or pinto beans, legumes are a potassium powerhouse, offering around 140 to 180 milligrams per 100 grams. Beans are often overlooked, but they are nutritional superstars. They are packed with protein, fiber, and of course potassium. Think about adding beans to your salads, soups, or even creating delicious bean dips. They are a budget-friendly way to add a boost of flavor and nutrition to your meals. Number 6. Oranges. These citrus fruits are not only refreshing but also a good source of potassium, providing around 181 milligrams per 100 grams. Imagine a juicy orange, bursting with flavor and vitamins. Oranges are a fantastic source of vitamin C, but they also provide a good dose of potassium. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to your salads, or even squeeze some fresh orange juice to start your day with a potassium boost. Number 7. Potatoes. Whether they're baked, mashed, or roasted, potatoes are a potassium-rich staple, offering around 421 milligrams per 100 grams. Potatoes often get a bad rap, but they can be a part of a healthy diet when prepared thoughtfully. And they are a surprisingly good source of potassium. Remember, it's all about how you prepare them. Avoid deep frying and opt for healthier cooking methods like baking, roasting, or mashing. Number 8. Tomatoes. These versatile fruits are not just tasty but also a good source of potassium, providing around 237 milligrams per 100 grams. Tomatoes are a kitchen staple, and for good reason. They are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Add them to salads, sauces, soups, or simply enjoy them sliced with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Number 9. Yogurt. This creamy dairy product is not only delicious but also contains around 141 milligrams of potassium per 100 grams. Yogurt is a fantastic source of calcium and protein, but it also provides a decent amount of potassium. Enjoy it plain, add it to smoothies, or use it as a base for dips and sauces. Number 10. Salmon. This fatty fish is not just tasty but also a good source of potassium, providing around 414 milligrams per 100 grams. Salmon is known for its omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly beneficial for heart health. But it also provides a good dose of potassium. Enjoy it grilled, baked, or even smoked. It's a delicious and nutritious way to support your heart health. Number 11. Beetroot. These vibrant root vegetables are not only colorful but also a good source of potassium, providing around 325 milligrams per 100 grams. Beets are known for their earthy flavor and vibrant color, and they pack a nutritional punch. Add them to salads, roast them as a side dish, or even enjoy them pickled. Number 12. Apricots. These juicy stone fruits are not just delicious but also a good source of potassium, providing around 259 milligrams per 100 grams. Apricots are a delightful treat, especially during the summer months. They are sweet, juicy, and packed with nutrients, including potassium. Enjoy them fresh, dried, or even use them in jams and desserts. Number 13. Kale. This leafy green is not only nutritious but also a good source of potassium, providing around 447 milligrams per 100 grams. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And it's also a great source of potassium. Add it to smoothies, salads, or even sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. Number 14. Cantaloupe. This juicy melon is not just refreshing but also a good source of potassium, providing around 267 milligrams per 100 grams. Cantaloupe is a perfect summer treat, offering a burst of flavor and hydration. And it's a good source of potassium. Enjoy it fresh, add it to fruit salads, or even blend it into refreshing smoothies. Number 15. Figs. These sweet fruits are not only delicious but also a good source of potassium, providing around 680 milligrams per 100 grams. Figs are a unique and flavorful fruit, often enjoyed dried or fresh, and they are a fantastic source of potassium. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to cheese boards, or even use them in baked goods for a touch of sweetness and a potassium boost. And there you have it, the top 15 high potassium foods to help lower your blood pressure and keep your heart healthy. Remember, taking care of your heart is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these potassium-rich foods into your diet, you can take control of your health and live your best life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutritional insights. Until next time, stay healthy and potassium-rich.